Hello, this is for my Phase 4 phonics group. I hope you've had a lovely week doing some phonics that I've given you. Today we're going to be doing the two consonants together, and the which make a sm sound, okay? Pause the video and just see if you can think of anything in your house that begins with a sm sound, okay? Right, start your video again. Point fingers ready, this is quite a quick one today. Smack, smack, smash, smash, smell, smooth, smooth, smug. Smurfs that smell are smug. Smurfs that smell are smug. Let's see if we can speed read those 5 words. Smack, smash, smell, smooth, smug. Good job. Right, I want you to turn your paper over now. And I'm going to write all of these words up on the board. Okay, look really carefully. We've got smack, smash, smell, smooth and smug. Okay, smack, smash, smell, smooth and smug. That light's a bit shining on there. I hope you can see those okay, that's better. Right, look really carefully, so I'm going to get rid of one, okay? Close your eyes, keep them closed. And open your eyes, see if you can work out which one's gone. Okay, tell your parents or carer. It was smash, smash, smash. Good job. Okay, you can do it again. Close your eyes. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. And open them. Which one have I got rid of? Pause it if you need to. It was smooth. Smooth. Good job. I'll just do the next video for you now. Well done.